Insert word art. Similar to the clip art, word art feature is used to add special and attractive effects to the text in a Word file. So we have to follow some steps for the inserting word art. Let us see. First of all, we have to open Word, then go to Insert tab, Word Art. When we click on Word Art, a drop-down list with different styles appears. We can select any one of it. When we select any style, we get a box written your text here, and we have to type the text in this box. For example, I am typing hello in this box. Now my word art has been inserted. After the word art has been inserted in a document, it can be further formatted. We can fill color, change outline, add text effects, etc. Let us see one by one how to do it. For doing any of the formatting, we have to select the word art text. As we select the word art text, a drawing tool with format tab automatically opens. Now from word art styles, we have to take text fill. A color palette appears in our front, and we can choose any of the color we want in our word art. Like this, you can see I have chosen the color. Now change outline. Below the text fill option, text outline option appears. When we click on its drop down arrow, we again get color palette. From here we can choose the outline of the text. Now you can see, as my text outline is somewhat blue in color and text is of another color. Now next is adding text effects. In format group, format tab, word art style group, below the text outline, text effect drop down arrow is there. We have to click on that. We get many options on it. First is shadow. When we click on shadow, many options, outer shadow, inner shadow appears. We can select any of it in our word art text. I will show you once again. In format tab, word art style, shadow. Now you can see a slight shadow behind the text is there. After this, we can do another effects also, like reflection. In reflection, we can take any of the reflection. As I take this, now you can see a reflection below the word is coming. Another option is glow. You can see a blue color glow of the word We can take any of the different options given here. We can choose any of it. Now bevel. You can see this is how bevel is there. Now 3D rotation. As I am taking my cursor to different types of rotation, it is shown the preview. I will select one of it, and this is the 3D rotation, and last one is transform. Like this we can take any of the transformation. So this is all about inserting word art and formatting it. Only we have to insert word art from insert tab, and then for formatting we have to click on this text, word art text, and from this format tab, word art styles, we can format it. Now next is editing and deleting word art. We can simply click on word art and edit it by using backspace key. As you can see here, by backspace key I am rubbing this text, and now I am typing another text like this. My previous text was hello, and now I have edited it, and now my new text is good morning. So we can edit it as many times as we like. Now deleting the word art. A word art may also be deleted by selecting the word art and pressing the delete key. Only we have to select our word art and then press the delete key. In this way we can delete our word art. So